Manufactured 08 of 2011.
Like water.
No, don't. No. Gross. 5 years shelf life, 9 years later. It says open, but it won't.
Ready America. And it's a backpack.
Oh my god, so. You said we had a game. It's not real.
It's a game.
Wait, I feel like this one's
Too bad we don't have beer to wash it down with when we're in the woods.
I'm scared. Here.
Don't you want to win? Really? One cookie.
Cookie.
Okay. All right. Would you like to open it?
There. It's kind of scary. It's really heavy. Okay, okay. Oh, you got it, you got it. It's going. Rip it!
We're gonna survive on gluten, sugar, and
So that whole thing is
hydrogenated.
2,000 and something calories?
Yes.
Ooh,
This is
oh, now
2,500
there's
calories.
more. On my teeth. Oh shit! Look at you, right? Oh, you're making crunchy noises, like serious crunchy noises.
It's okay.
Does that have raisins in it? It doesn't have raisins in it. Why does it smell like?
It tastes like cinnamon raisin.
That doesn't have cinnamon.
There's no cinnamon, there's no raisin.
Ew, it looks like those little like epic meat things, but there's no meat in it. That's gross. There's
Ew,
definitely,
no,
I got
I
like,
can't do it anymore.
you ate like big bites.
With aftertaste.
You like went for it, took a big old bite. I can't. You just keep eating it. Why do you keep eating it?
I have no idea.
I just had.
A bite, please, you can tie me.
You
Just eat a
win.
bite.
You win. You
Just eat a
win.
bite.
You win. Ready, America. I was wondering what stupid like multi-level marketing convention you went to get something that said Ready America on it.
Well, I bought the plane from a Rush Limbaugh fan, so that's all you need to know.
That's good.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Should we eat some sausage?
Yes. Let's eat some sausage. Maybe.